Canadians, they are a desperate need. For the nation's health system, they're in short supply. But organ donations are now facing more restrictions, thanks to new rules from Health Canada. Ottawa has effectively shut out many gay donors. Maureen Taylor reports.
Health Canada's new regulations attempt to reduce the risk of transmitting potentially deadly diseases to organ recipients.
The one that they're most concerned with is the obvious one, that of transmission of HIV in particular.
To that end, Health Canada is excluding gay men from becoming organ donors. Donated organs are already tested for HIV, but the virus may be undetected if the donor was infected within 3 weeks of their death. Health Canada could not provide anyone to do an interview on the policy change, but responded in an email. Men who have had sex with another man within the preceding 5 years are excluded from being organ donors. Similarly, people who have evidence of IV drug abuse or having had sex for money are excluded from donating organs. But even though the new regulations took effect a month ago, the news caught transplant doctors in Ontario and Alberta off guard.
So we have not been informed, first of all, that Health Canada is considering this.
Organ donors here at Toronto General Hospital are already screened for high-risk behavior, but the head of Canada's largest transplant program says they shouldn't be held to the same high standards as blood donors because the stakes for the organ recipient are higher.
Organ donation and the opportunity to save a life at a specific time, we have no substitute therapies.
Some in the gay community say the policy is wrong-headed, that Health Canada should focus on risky sexual behaviors, not sexual orientation.
I think it's more of an issue of anal sex, anal intercourse, than it is to do with whether someone's gay or straight.
How many organs will be rejected under Health Canada's new guidelines? Hard to say, but Dr. Levy estimates that at his Toronto hospital, out of 100 organ donors every year, about 7 gay men will be rejected because of the new policies. Their hearts and lungs and kidneys will be discarded rather than go to the 4,000 Canadians waiting for a transplant. Maureen Taylor, CBC News, Toronto.